Hello friends, today we will discuss about how to cope up with corona fear. You see, corona has started a year ago and it has not gone. So when it began, lot of people, lot of doctors suggested you different type of medicines to increase your immunity or to protect from the corona. First of all, I must tell you that there is nothing a medicine like immunity booster. Immunity is the mechanism in your body that you have got it from your birth and you have developed over the period of time, because the way you eat, the exercise you do, all these things help you to keep your body in normal and alert. And when your body is a healthy state, normal state, your immunity is also normal. So you don't need to do anything special for the immunity. You keep your body healthy, alert. That is more than enough for you to keep your immunity normal and fight with the diseases. So your body, this body is a machine, for example, and what its body needs is the food. If you give the proper food to the body, definitely it will be functioning very naturally. But if you try to do anything extra, unnecessarily, the body will go in a stress. And whenever your body goes in a stress, your immunity depletes or immunity goes down and you may fall to infection. Simple thing. If you someday eat extra, your body is disorder. When your body is disorder, when you are having indigestion, your body is in a stress. And that stress again causes your immunity to go down. So the simple thing what you have to do is you keep your body in a normal healthy condition. And what simple things that you have to do for that, I will tell you. Number one, your body needs certain ingredients daily. For example, it needs vitamins, it needs minerals, it needs glucose, it needs proteins, it needs fats. And you take all these things from the food. And the best way is to take the fresh food. Fresh food has very good ingredients and your body accepts that. Fruits and vegetables have good minerals and vitamins that you need, and definitely those vitamins body retains and body uses it for a long time. But if you go on taking a vitamin supplement when you are not needed and if you take it, your body almost throws away 90% of the medicines or vitamins or supplements you take. It means your body is not accepting. And when you are putting these things in your body tries to throw it out. It means body is in a stress. Body has not accepted. So when you are taking any medicine unnecessarily when it is not needed, you are putting your body in stress. So don't put in stress. It is likely to low down your immunity instead of increasing. So the best way I advise you to take the regular food that contains proteins, vitamins, that is fruits, vegetables, daily your diet, the salads, fruit juices. This is more than any other medicine for you. So you are not going to take anything other than that and your body doesn't need it. So that also you have to take in a moderate quantity, not more, because your body will go in stress if you eat more. Second thing, your body needs an exercise. In order to keep your body alert, you have to do exercise. What is an exercise? Simple 40 minutes walk, simple half an hour yoga is more than enough for you. Do the things that you can do regularly. Suppose you go and join a gym, do exercise 1 hour, 2 hours, you won't be able to continue it long time. Small exercises doing daily will help you. Another thing, if you can't do the exercise, work in your home. Do your own things. If you are a flat staircase, use staircases. That will help you. These small things are very important than doing an exercise. So always you keep your body active. So that is keeping your body alert. Third thing and very important thing is sleep. Sleep is also directly related to your immunity. You need to have 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily, and when you sleep, your brain is working. It is building a immunity. So a normal sleep is needed, not to just as rest for the brain, but it working. Your immunity will be far better if you have a normal sleep. And how to have a normal sleep? Simple thing, no tensions, no worries, no anxiety. The more important thing I want to stress you today is that corona will come, corona will last for some years and it will go. But the fear that corona has created in you is going to be a new disease. Do you want to get that disease? And I don't think there is a treatment for that. And what fear has increased, do you daily watch TV? There are deaths, there is no oxygen, there are no medicines. This is one part of the news repeatedly in your mind. All these things go back of your mind and you become stressed because you think, if I get corona, what is this? You may or you may not get corona, but the fear that is gone in your mind, that is going to low down your immunity, and that is going to mentally suffer you, mentally cause you problems, and that is going to hamper your sleep. You see, the simple thing and the circle you see, and because of that your immunity is going down. Be wise, because the percentage of the people that are coming out of corona is far more than the percentage of the people dying. The percentage of people who are getting treatment is far more than the percentage of people finding difficulties. So, which part of these two things you want to concentrate? Try to have a positive side of it, not the negative side. And I am very sorry to say that media is repeatedly making impressions of negative things on you. And that is the main culprit that is causing an anxiety in you and a fear of corona in you. Be aware of all these things, and my making this video is that only thing, that be healthy, be happy, and anything, if you are happy and if you are taking proper diet, even if you get a corona, fight it with strong courage. You will come out of it. Don't go with fear. So many problems in your life you have fought. What is this problem? Some more problems will be coming. You be strong enough, be brave, and fight with it. And follow the instructions that are given by the government. Use the masks, wash your hands regularly, and all these things you do. Keep a distance, stay at home, but while staying at home, don't watch the news repeatedly. The same news is going on every half an hour, only the person is changing. And you go on this is causing your psychology. Repeatedly that thing is impression in you, you will become psychic by that. So don't go after that. Concentrate on your work. Whatever the works are pending, go on it. Watch movies, watch dramas, talk to your friends, talk to your wife, enjoy these things. Definitely that will help you to build up your immunity to be a more normal person than going all these things. And please follow, you don't need anything other than what I told you to build up your immunity or to get your immunity normal. Yes, medicines are necessary, vitamin C is necessary only for those who got corona, and all these things doctor will take care of it. They will say you take it now. That is not your part, that you go and store these medicines at house. Some medicine comes, some day I have Aspidospirma came, this is a medicine. People are buying it. You don't need it, you buy it, you store it. Then the people who need it, they may not get it. So this is really a harmful things that you are doing. This is the antisocial thing one is doing. If you know it, it's all right. And be aware of the words of university, the false things that are spreading there, which are not basic, which are not scientific. And don't be getting fear of that second wave is coming, third wave is coming, fourth wave is. You be alert, you be strong, and you do your work. Keep your mind and keep your body healthy, and you will be definitely strong enough to protect yourself corona. And even if you get, you will definitely successfully fight the corona and you will come out of it. And last but not least, you see, it's a very good thing vaccine has come. Go and take the vaccine, and that is the final answer for the corona. And whatever the rumors are there against vaccines, they are all wrong, they are all false. Don't fall prey to you, and be strong enough, and I think this is, you follow it, you'll definitely have no fear of corona. You'll be strong enough, you'll be brave. Thank you.